Hi, I am Larry with Wellcoat. Today we're going to be installing ceramic liners into a steel cone with a wear compound for a customer to install in the field. We're going to start by mixing the resin and the hardener and get it ready for the ceramic. Now we're getting the hardener and mixing it with the resin to get the consistency to apply to the ceramic. Now we're going to be applying the wear compound to the ceramic. Try to get a thin coat all across. You have to work quick with this stuff because it hardens fast. So now we have the wear compound applied. We're going to be installing it in the steel liner. So now we're going to be packing the edges and then cleaning up the surface. We're just going to clean the surface. Now we're going to repeat the process, applying the wear compound to all the ceramic and installing into the steel cones.